Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to introduce a brand new sludge drying technology by indirect heat exchange, which could transform the municipal waste or chemical waste sludge to dried granules without any addition of other materials. The most outstanding point is that it changes the traditional granulation process, applying a volumetric soft granulation process to realize a very low drying power. For each ton of sludge granulation, it only consumes 1.0 to 1.15 kWh drying power. During the drying and granulating, the surface area is rather large, and the relative humidity of granule surface is rather different from that of the surroundings. Thus, this process would consume large amounts of power. However, in our equipment, every kilogram of water evaporation only consumes 1.0 to 1.04 kg of saturated steam. Now we can see only the materials at the bottom side are slowly moving, just because of the slow working design. It only needs a small amount of power for granulating and drying, which makes a great contribution to the drying technology. Next, we will go to the ultimate purpose of sludge drying and granulating. From the beginning step, when the sludge enters, the surface area for evaporating has been maximally enlarged under the condition of low consumption of kinetic energy, which raises the heat transferring efficiency and makes the best use of driving power during the drying process. Now we can see how the process of semi-drying works and how the dried granules directly discharged. These granules are still in the evaporation of moisture after high temperature sterilizing and stable dust-free processing, which could be used as thermal plant fuel, farming fertilizer, and construction materials. They could be applied in grit furnace, thermal decomposition furnace, and also in circulating fluidized bed boiler. We started the technology research of sludge drying from 2002 and formed a relatively complete system of technology in 2005. After that, we applied for a patent of soft materials drying and granulating, and finally gained SME Technology Innovation Fund in 2009. Compared with other internationally advanced technology, this new technology owns its unique advance. The granules are hollowed out in any phase of heating and drying. What we can see at the left side is horizontal rotary drying, and the right side is vertical rotary drying after granulating. The horizontal rotary drying is similar with pedal drying. The sludge are dried step by step and are separated after losing moisture. Because of the irregular shape of the dried materials, the conveying and operating of fluidized bed would be influenced. Comparably, the soft material granulator could easily convey the uniform granules by airflow. Another significant feature is that any soft foreign materials could be passed, like towels and gloves. By contrast, any hard ones would be rejected, such as bricks, rubbles, metal, and so on. This project has been widely used in municipal waste treatment. The original wet sludge moisture content is 80% to 85%. After pumping into the bunker, the sludge goes through the process of granulating and the rotary drying. Finally, the semi-dried sludge will be discharged smoothly. Chemical waste treatment. The equipment is installed vertically, with granulator at the top and the dryer at the bottom. The wet sludge are conveyed to the bunker inside the granulator. and will go through the granulating and drying process. Finally, the dried granules will be manually packaged and stored. Electroplating waste treatment. After granulating and tray drying, the granules would be made into balls and be melted to recover heavy metals in order to gain a higher economic benefit. Oil refining sludge treatment. Sludge drying of Tangshan Sanyou Group with single output of 100 tons per day. Our equipments are doing quite well in evaporating during tray drying, compared with other sludge drying equipments. In this project, the original moisture content is 87%. After going through granulating process, non-sticky granules are formed with strong fluidity, high output rate, and uniform moisture. Next, the sludge granules are conveyed to tray dryer. During the drying, the sands in sludge remains on the tray surface to prevent any friction between the blades and trays. Therefore, even after half a year, the tray's surface still remains very new. That's just the essential difference between vertical tray dryer and horizontal tray dryer. The energy consumption of vertical tray dryer is only 1/20th of horizontal type, but achieves 30 to 100 times efficiency in material distribution rate and 10 to 80 times efficiency in drying rate as horizontal type. That's a dream brought about by the hollowed-out particles. The dust-free granules are coming out of the tray dryer and will be conveyed to the bunker. Now we can clearly see that all the granules are discharged smoothly and stably. In another large pharmaceutical plant, the waste includes sticky, high-moisture mycelium. In order to realize sludge drying, various methods had failed before our equipment. We succeeded to solve this by dragging the sticky materials into fluffy particles, and all the cell water were broken down and fully dried. Finally, the sludge becomes hollowed out, irregular and dried granules through highest drying efficiency and the lowest energy consumption. This picture shows how the mycelium granules look like after granulating, setting a good example for other materials which are difficult to be dried. It will perform the best in cost savings and highest product yield. In the third project of another chemical group, the granulator and tray dryer are arranged horizontally. The sludge granules are conveyed into tray dryer by a special conveyor, and finally be delivered out of plant by backpacking. Jiangsu Yonggang Group, granulator of steel making sludge. Fertilizer making by sludge in Wuhan. Sludge granular after adding crushed straws. Nowadays, our sludge granulating system is performing better and better, and has gained more attraction and support from intelligent persons due to its modular, standardized design and simple operation. Pedal dryer is one of the old-style equipment of our company. In industry, it is mainly applied in recycling hazardous solvents, toxic chemicals, or in special occasions requiring vacuum cooling or reducing oxygen level due to heat-sensitive or oxidizing materials. As to some industrial sludge or waste, after fermentation deodorizing, such as cassava dregs, soil meal, distiller grains, hawthorn and slag residues, they could be transformed into feed of fertilizer raw materials with high content of protein. Under this circumstance, we would adopt rolling dryer or pipe bundle dryer. Please refer to our website www.dryer.cn. Besides, we are also very confident at another traditional product, flue gas purification by semi-dry deacidification with rotary spring. Warmly welcome your callings. For inquiries, 晋江兴盛 Environment Technology Company Limited. Thank you very much.